Oh, hello there. So I see you're here today to fine-tune your skills in talking with your CA staff about their progress, or lack thereof, in programming, correct? Right? Okay, that's what I thought. So, here for you today, we have some of the do's and don'ts in a couple different programming situations you may find yourself in this year. Enjoy.
Do you know why you're here today?
No, not really.
Why don't you take a guess?
I really have no idea. I mean, this is the first time I've ever been in your office.
I'll go straight to the chase. You're fired.
Excuse me?
Your programming habits have been atrocious this semester. 3 strikes, you're out of here.
3 strikes? Since when do I have 3 strikes? This is the first time you've even mentioned it to me.
Well, in addition to this one, you've missed 2 previous programming checkpoints. Remember back in August when you were informed of this? Training! So, pack your things and have a nice life.
I can't believe this. I mean, I understand that I haven't done the best in getting all my programs done, but this was my first semester as a CA.
Do you hear that? It's the world's smallest violin playing a sweet symphony for you. You didn't fulfill the requirements. Now get out.
Yikes, that was not handled well. Let's see how it should be handled, shall we?
Hey, I see you decorated a little bit more since last time I was here. It's really nice.
Thanks. I have put up a few more things since our last one-on-one meeting. Why don't we take a seat over here? Well, Allison, it is the end of September. You only have 1 program done. How are those programs coming along that we talked about in our last one-on-one meeting? I mean, is there anything I can actually help you with?
Well, I've just been kind of stuck on a couple of things with the programming process. And I know I'm behind, and I'm really sorry.
Well, it is okay. That's why we actually have these programming checkpoints in place anyway. Let's take a look at what you have planned here so far.
Much better, don't you agree? Now let's take a look at another common situation you may find yourself in.
Thank you very much for your time, and have a nice day. Alright, time to get out of the office.
Madam! Guess what? I have the best idea for a program for my floor. Are you ready for it?
Enthusiasm. I love it already. Tell me.
Get this. Ice Cream Social. I know. Fantastic, right?
Really, I love the enthusiasm. Let's try to keep that. But don't forget, we have a strict 2 social program policy, and you've already done both your socials.
See, but I knew you were going to say that. That's why the residents will be learning about different kinds of ice cream and learning about the kinds of toppings you put on it. I know, educational, right?
I don't think that's exactly what we're looking for a learning program. Maybe you can try and, tie some type of diversity aspect into the program.
Oh, I see where you're going with this. You want vanilla and chocolate ice cream. Okay.
Well, that's a start. Perhaps you could work in a social class issue. Like, maybe depending upon what color the residents have on, that dictates how much or how little toppings and or ice cream they could have.
Wow, I totally see where you're going with this. Do you mind if we talk a little bit more and you can give me some ideas of how to make my program more educational?
No, that's not a problem at all. Let's use the program planning sheet here, and let's see if we can get this started.
Well played, wouldn't you say? Alas, that's all the time we have this time. We hope you've learned a thing or two about how to talk to your CA staff about programming related issues. Till next time, good night. And good luck.
There for